Being taught to drive is a huge step in every person's life. It opens up various new liberties and possibilities. Immediately after having passed the driving exam, most people's interest turns to finding a car. Naturally, the expense of being able to drive comes not only from the car itself and getting gas but also from the cost of insurance coverage. Insurance is not only for your protection but it's also a lawful requirement. Without the proper insurance for your car, you are not able to drive it on the road lawfully. Therefore, it is important to know where to search for cheap female car insurance. Car insurance fees vary vastly depending on sex and age. It is generally less for females as statistically females are involved in a smaller amount of collisions on the road than men. Not only that, but females also are apt to travel fewer kilometers on the whole and subsequently don't put in claims as often or for as much as males do. Females also have fewer driving-associated convictions, accounting for nearly 9% with men making up the other 91%. This is an incredible disparity and is one of the main reasons for cheap female car insurance. Usually, the biggest disparity in insurance costs between sexes happens if the driver is adolescent. Generally, the more juvenile the driver, the bigger the difference in cost between the sexes will be. It usually levels off about the age of 45. Young males are notorious for exceeding the speed limit and being involved in serious collisions, therefore this seems logical. Discovering cheap female car insurance is turning out to be much simpler due to the web. It's nowadays possible to locate quotes from a large amount of companies and contrast the quotes against one another. Because there is such a big divergence in insurance coverage among sexes, there are presently countless auto insurance companies that specifically provide for females and propose good deals for them. While looking online for an insurance quote, you may